Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss nutrition in lower animals. Lower animals: amoeba, paramecium, hydra, spider, frog, and some other mosquitoes, butterfly like this. At first, amoeba and paramecium. Amoeba and paramecium both are made up of single celled organisms because their body made up of only single cell. Our body made up of millions, trillions of these cells, but their body made up of only single cell. That's why these are known as unicellular organisms. Students, digestion in these animals is known as intracellular digestion. Why it is called as intracellular? Because the body is made up of single cell. Digestion where will take place? Inside the body. Intracellular digestion. Okay, so first we are going to discuss nutrition in amoeba.
In amoeba, the food and its way of obtain different from organism to organism. Example: amoeba takes food using fungus-like extensions of cell surface called as pseudopodia. They fuse over the food particle by forming a food vacuole. Inside amoeba, that food vacuole's complex substances are broken down into simple substances. Then, these simple substances diffuses into cytoplasm. The remaining undigested material is moved to the surface of cell and thrown outside.
As you are looking here, the paramecium having hair-like structures, and these hair-like structures are known as cilia, and through these cilia they move like the oars of a boat. When these cilia move, they direct the current of water towards the oral groove, and from the oral groove food enters into the mouth, and from the mouth food accumulate in the food vacuole, and when the food vacuole is formed, the digestion of the food takes place in the food vacuole. Later on, undigested food is released out from the body. So, in case of amoeba, ingestion of food takes place with the help of pseudopodia. In case of paramecium, ingestion of food takes place through the cilia. Now look, nutrition in hydra. Hydra is a multicellular animal, and in case of the hydra, there are a number of the tentacles like these. These tentacles having stinging cells, they fire the sting cells, and when the sting is fired, the prey get injured and become unconscious. The then tentacles capture the food and put into the mouth like this, put into the mouth. Got it? And then food is digested in its body. Now nutrition in spider. As we know well, spider make a sticky web, and through the help of the sticky web it trap its prey or insects. It inject the digestive juices into the prey's body. When the body get digested of the prey, it suck up the nutrients from the digested body of prey. Now look in nutrition in mosquitoes. Mosquito having a special kind of the mouth organs, and these mouth organs are called as piercing and sucking type. At first it pierces our skin and start to suck our blood, and most mosquitoes are responsible for transferring a number of the diseases, because it transmits a number of diseases when it sucks the blood, and during sucking the blood it releases its saliva into the host body at the time of biting. So along with the saliva, a number of the germs enter into the pest host body. Mosquitoes causes a number of deadly diseases like the malaria, chikungunya, dengue. Now look, housefly. Housefly obtain its nutrition from the liquid food material. It releases its saliva on the food material, and then the food becomes liquid. Then it sucks the food material with the help of its feeding tube. The housefly spread a number of diseases like the cholera, diarrhea, and many more diseases. It spread germs from the dirty places to our food material. Now look, butterfly. Butterfly suck nectar from the flowers, and nectar is a sweet material. With the help of its long tubular mouth part called proboscis, with the help of proboscis, it sucks the nectar from the flowers. Now look, nutrition in frog. Frog has long protrusible, means it cover around the food material. It is long tongue. It can move out from the mouth. That is called as protrusible. Come out as a long weep. So it wrap around the insect or food material or prey and fold it and come again inside the mouth. So in case of the frog, it eat the insects with the help of long sticky tongue. The food is broken down and digested in its digestive system with the help of digestive juices. In case of vertebrates or higher organisms, the organisms which having backbone, they having a complicated type of their digestive system. They have different parts of in their alimentary canal. Alimentary canal, the part in which digestion takes place. The first part, mouth, esophagus, that is also known as food pipe. Next one, stomach, intestine. Intestine further divided into two parts, small intestine and large intestine.